Hey y'all, hey, it's Galanda B, Emotional Awareness Coach, and today's video is going to be really short because I had to rehome my fur baby, and I was doing good all day until I had to put her in the carrier, and she began to cry, and then I began to cry, and then I kept forgetting things. And I had to keep running back into the house to get stuff. And I still ultimately forgot to give her new parent her automatic feeder and water dish. Y'all, I'm broken up. I want to cry. And I figure if I stay home, I'm going to cry. So I'm going to go out. At least for a few hours. I guess if I be around other people, I'll be less likely to cry. Like, this is very difficult. And I am nowhere near completed the packing that I need to be doing. But I've decided I'm just going to put everything in boxes and go through it where I'm going to be staying in the interim. I'm going to go through the boxes there. Yeah. I have not been without a pet for almost 25 years. Like, even when I moved to Maryland back in '97, I brought my cats with me. Now, I couldn't keep them. The person I was staying with was like, nah, you can't have no cats here. And I paid for them to be kenneled for probably like a month and a half before I gave them up. But once I got my own place, I got pets again. Yeah, my other cat, he passed away 2 years ago, and he was 19 years old. I have spent more of my life with a pet than without a pet. And I'm not sure how this is going to affect me mentally. Yeah, it's difficult. And so if you've had to rehome your pet or you've lost a pet, comment down below, because I'm not dealing with it real well. I might look good. Hopefully I look cute. But in my heart, it hurts. And I want to cry right now. So that's why this is going to be a short video. I also wanted to let you all know that I am one of 11 speakers for the Rest Revolution Summit. It is at the end of this month. I'll put the link down in the comments. It's all about rest. My session's a little bit short, but hopefully helpful, and I am positive that the information from the other speakers could be of value too as well. So I hope you check that out. I hope you continue to follow, like, subscribe, and maybe I'll be feeling a little better in a couple of days and can give you a more lively update on what's going on with my transition. But until then, Galanda B, Emotional Awareness Coach, and y'all take care.